Assalamu alaikum students. I am your teacher Aisha Anwar. Welcome to the computer class. I hope all of you are fine and doing great with your studies. We are studying chapter number 2, which is about software basics. Today we will cover the last portion of the chapter. After covering these topics, we will be completing our chapter number 2. Let's start today's lecture. First of all, let's revise some previous concepts so that you can easily understand the new concepts. As we all know that there are two main parts of computer. These are computer software and computer hardware. Each and every computer is comprises of these two main components. A computer is incomplete without any of them. We know that the physical components of computer are known as the hardware. Physical component means those components which can be touched are known as the hardware, like mouse, keyboard, monitor, speakers, CPU, modem, etc. The computer hardware is classified into two main types. One is input devices and the other is output devices. Input devices are used to enter data into the computer and we get results from the output devices. All the devices that are attached to the computer are known as the peripheral devices. These devices can be input devices or output devices. Collectively, we use a term peripheral for these devices. So this is all about the hardware of a computer. Now, when we talk about the software, we should know what is the software. As we all know that software is all the thing which is present inside your monitor screen. We cannot touch the software. So in other words, we can say that a software is the set of instructions which tells the computer what to do and how to do. So in easy words, we can say that software is a computer program or it is a set of instructions which guides the computer that how it has to perform the task. When we talk about the types of a software, we have already studied that there are two types of software. These are system software and application software. System software is the very basic software of a computer. In the absence of system software, we won't be able to perform any task. Without the proper installation of a system software, we cannot use computer hardware. Computer hardware is just the dummy hardware. We cannot make any use of it. So basically there are two types of software, system software and application software. In previous lectures, we have studied about the system software, that what is a system software, what are its types. In today's lecture, we will learn about application software and its types. First of all, we need to understand that what is an application software. An application software is a group of programs that are specifically designed for the end users like us are called the application software. It means that these are the special programs that are designed for the users to perform a specific task. It has three types. Number one, entertainment software. Number two, productivity software. And number three, educational and reference software. When we talk about the productivity software, it is further divided into four types. These are word processing, spreadsheet software, graphic software, and multimedia software. In class 7th, we have already studied about the word processing software. And in word processing software, we have learnt the Microsoft Word. Just like the Microsoft Word, there are some other softwares are also available to perform some tasks like spreadsheet softwares, multimedia softwares, and graphic software. We have also studied about Microsoft PowerPoint. So Microsoft PowerPoint is a multimedia presentation software. Graphic software are those softwares which are used to create or design some images and pictures. And using these softwares, we can also perform the photo editing. We can improve the quality of the photos. We will learn about the types of application software in detail. First of all, entertainment software. Entertainment software are used for an amusing and entertainment purpose. These are the softwares which are created to be used in users' free time. Like we play music on some software, we watch movies, we play games in our free time. We also use social networking applications. All of these types of software are known as the entertainment software. Most of us are familiar with the Facebook. We use Facebook in our free time. It is a social networking app. We use Twitter. We also use YouTube in order to search and watch different type of videos. And there are a lot many social networking software or applications available. The basic purpose of these software is to entertain people. They also include games and movies and music software. All these type of software are known as the entertainment software, and their only purpose is to entertain the people. The second type of application software is the productivity software. It is an important type of application software. If user wants to make documents, spreadsheets, graphs, and presentations We use the productivity software for this purpose. They include MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, Access, and so many other software. They usually include word processing, spreadsheets, graphic software, and multimedia software. We are already familiar with the term Microsoft Office, and we know that Microsoft Office is a complete application package which contains different type of softwares like Microsoft Excel to create spreadsheets, Microsoft OneNote and Microsoft Word to create documents. Microsoft PowerPoint is used to create presentations, and Microsoft Outlook is used to manage the emails. All of these softwares are known as the productivity software. Using these softwares, we can make different type of charts and graphs in order to include them in our documents. Here you can see the picture of a graphic software. If you notice that we can design different type of pictures and images in graphic softwares. We can design banners, posters, panaflexes, and so many other things. Many graphic softwares are available for this purpose, but commonly used graphic softwares are CorelDRAW and Photoshop. There are also many softwares available in the market to be used for graphic designing. They are very easy and very interesting to learn. Once you learn them, you can make or create many things. For example, if you have seen a newsletter of your college, in the end of every session, that newsletter is designed with the help of some graphic softwares. We used CorelDRAW and Photoshop to design that newsletter. If you have noticed that there are many panaflexes displayed on different occasions in your college, and there are also some large size panaflexes displayed in different college areas, those panaflexes are also designed with the help of these graphic software. They are fun to learn and they are very much easy to use. Now, the third type of application software is the educational and reference software. First of all, we will learn about the educational software. Educational software help the user to learn many different things about various subjects. For example, we can learn about space, science, mathematics, and even we can learn different languages with the help of these educational software. They may include dictionaries and encyclopedias to learn about the different topics. They help you to get the educational concepts in an interactive way. Now, let's learn about the reference software. Reference software contains large amount of data, and that data can be easily searched with the help of different information about particular subjects. Reference softwares are basically used with the educational software, and reference software helps you to learn about the different topics. They include encyclopedia, dictionary, exam preparations, and so many other. Reference softwares are used in a combination with the educational software so that you can learn about the new concepts related to your different subjects, either space, science, maths, and so many other. Nowadays, there are many educational games are also available on different websites. We can play those games for the educational purposes. For example, for computer, there are many typing tutor games are available online and they are also available free to download. You can play different type of games in order to learn the typing for computer. So there is a lot of stuff available online for educational and reference software. These softwares basically contain so many things like games these days. Then a lot of reference softwares are used like Space Map, encyclopedias. These educational software help us to organize and plan our studies. Like we can make different schedules, we can use blackboards, we can use different applications to take your notes. There are many softwares are available for practice, languages, maths, physics, chemistry, and other subjects. A wide range of softwares is also available for collaboration and cooperation. For example, these days we are conducting online classes and using many softwares like WhatsApp and Zoom to record the lectures. And we can also share some type of messengers to interact with each other. We can use some central storage devices, central storage locations like Dropbox and many other to save our notes and files and online lectures. Softwares in education basically used to enhance the creativity, like we can draw, paints, and we can create some things like music programs and like this. And study material is available with the help of multimedia PowerPoint presentations and in the form of notes for Adobe Photoshop like this. So there is a wide variety and range of softwares that are used for educational purposes. So with this topic, we have completed our content. Now we will be discussing the remaining part of the exercise. So this is your task. This is question number 4, part number 4 and 5. Describe in detail the difference between entertainment and productivity software. Here we have discussed that entertainment software are used for amusing and entertainment purposes, and productivity software are used to make the documents, spreadsheets, graphs, and presentations. So this is the basic difference. You also have to mention the examples for each type of the software. This is question number 4, part number 5. Describe the importance of educational and reference software. We have discussed that educational software help us to learn many different things about the various subjects like space and science, mathematics, and even different languages. And reference softwares are used in addition to the educational software, and they include encyclopedias, dictionaries, and exam preparation material. That's all for today. With this, we have completed our chapter number 2 along with its exercise. I hope you have enjoyed learning chapter number 2 with these lectures and presentations. Still, if you're having any confusion and query, you can ask me anytime. Please complete your task in time and send me your work for your attendance. Have a good day. Thank you.